the best memory that we have is getting all the DMs from our followers.
Okay.
That how we inspire them
Yeah.
to have a bond with their sisters.
And many siblings have also started their page seeing us.
Challenges होते हैं कि shoots के बीच में लड़ाई हो गया हमारा. Once what happened, one of our fans, she got my mom's contact number through some links, okay? And she had not eaten her food from 2 days only because she wanted to talk to us. मजाक लगता है कि यार सब बहनें घूम रहे हैं साथ में, but I think this is the best feeling ever if we are having to hang out with each other.
Sisters are your forever best
friends.
Hi, welcome to Who's That 360.
Hi.
Shrishti, Vidhi, Shraddha, and Ananya. Let's start with the conversation.
Yes, surely.
Okay, so all the Shukla sisters, I'd like to ask, what inspired you all to start creating content together as sisters?
I think during pandemic we were just bored and we suddenly got an idea of starting YouTube channel, and we just did it for fun. We never thought we'll get this famous and we'll have 1 million subscribers. So yeah, we thought I don't know, we just did it for fun. Yeah.
Nothing actually inspired us. I think we were just inspiring each other to come out and dance together, create content, and it was something that was brought us together.
So how do you come up with the ideas for your dance routines and fashion content?
Okay, so we usually either follow trends or we come on trends. We try to understand what our audience wants from us, and this is what we've done. When we're not following trends, we make sure that we are coming on trend.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you describe your creative process from concept to final production?
Okay, so if we are planning to shoot a video, we usually just sit, we brainstorm,
Take each other's ideas.
Yeah. And then we come up to one single thing which has all the 4 of our ideas together, and then we plan, execute the whole thing, shoot, editing, and everything is done, and then the video is live on our page.
So how do you manage to balance individual personalities and styles while working as a team?
See, here it is a bit difficult to balance our own individual personalities along with us having a presence of togetherness on the profile. Most of the times we have to compromise on individual personalities, just knowing that if she likes something and I don't like it, I still have to compromise and go with her ideas so that we can have one mutual ground.
What has been the most challenging aspect of your journey so far?
Challenging is the daylight, or if none of us are in the mood to shoot.
Because she's always not even. We are 4 of us, and everybody has different moods. And someday 3 of us are ready, one person is not ready to shoot on that day. So that is a bit challenging. Along with that, we have to also. She especially has to manage her studies along with content creation. She's only in 10th standard now,
Okay.
and so at that time it becomes very difficult. Along with that, we have challenges होते हैं कि shoots के बीच में लड़ाई हो गया हमारा. Disagreement or anything like that comes up. So I think that is the one which is challenging. Other than that, everything is very smooth between us.
Okay. So what role does each sister play in the content creation process?
Shraddha gives most of the ideas on how to, she's more creative. Formation कैसा रहना चाहिए, which angle से लेना चाहिए, and all that stuff.
Done by me.
And I do the editing part. I help with the choreography. So
And styling, everyone has their own individual styling because we all 4 of us like to style in different ways. So other than styling, we all are included in something or the other.
So can you share a memorable experience or feedback from your fans?
Memorable experience, I think the first point that will come to my head as a memory, which we recently did in the month of March, was the greet and meet in Mumbai, which we had. That was our first greet and meet. And meet and greet.
Yeah.
It was also like a workshop where we could meet our fans. It was very unexpected that we were not expecting people to show up because we are Bangalore creators, and we hosted a meet and greet in Mumbai. So that was a bit risky, but we still took the chance, and we were really happy to meet our fans. Along with that, the best memory that we have is getting all the DMs from our followers.
Okay.
that how we inspire them
Yeah.
to like have a bond with their sisters
And
and
many siblings have also started their page seeing us.
Yeah.
Us, yeah. They
Okay.
have started creating content, dancing together.
And one of our fans even cried on a video call.
Oh,
looking at
yes.
us. It was really
Yeah. Once what happened, one of our fans, she got my mom's contact number through some links, okay? And she had not eaten her food from 2 days only because she wanted to talk to us.
Okay.
And her parents were really frustrated ki kya kare ab, how do we contact them? And then she somehow found our mom's contact number. She video called our mom and we were out. She
Okay.
stayed on the video call, I think, for an hour or two, and she was waiting for us to come back home. And when we came, she saw us on the video call and started crying. And that was the sweetest moment ever we've experienced.
So, what is your favorite type of content to create and why? Like, which part of you like dancing or you like fashion content? Which is your favorite thing to do?
Dance.
We like dance.
We like dance, but sometimes we even like to do relatable content.
Yeah.
So-
That's how one of our videos went viral.
First video.
Yeah, that was a relatable content.
So our favorite thing to do on Instagram is to make dance and relatable content because that is what our age group people prefer to watch. And on YouTube, we prefer to make more of vlogs where we show the insiders of Shukla sisters, jo Instagram pe nahi dikhta hai.
Haan.
And that is the place where we are making a big community. We have 1 million on YouTube and we have a huge family there where we can directly connect to our followers.
Yeah. Be ourselves.
Yeah. They are seeing the side of Shukla sisters jo kahin nahi dikha hai.
तो आपकी फैमिली आपको कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस करती है कंटेंट और करियर चॉइसेस के लिए?
They have been very supportive.
Dad
From day one. My dad, when he got to know we are making videos and stuff, he was like, "ठीक है बनाओ, लेकिन ये रुकना नहीं चाहिए. Once you start, you should not stop."
Yeah.
He got us an expensive camera and tripod, ring light, everything when we decided. So he has helped
Yeah.
throughout.
And
Yeah.
Papa जब कैमरा भी लाए थे तब we were not expecting him to get such an expensive camera. When we had just started making videos, it is like we're using the camera which Kylie Jenner has. And that is like a flex for us. Yeah, and ever since then, my dad has never stopped us from anything. We are traveling to Mumbai back up and down from Bangalore to Mumbai for shoots. Papa आज तक कभी मना नहीं किए. He gets a bit emotional when we are traveling and leaving him and going, but he's always excited when we come back.
That's great. What advice would you give to other sibling groups who are looking to create content together?
Okay, for anybody who's looking to create content, we would say, according to our own personal experience, this would be the best choice they're ever going to make because in the busy life where everyone is just running and doing their own individual thing,
Yeah.
if they are having a page together, that is going to bring them together.
And they spend more time
More time.
with each other.
Yeah, they will find a reason to be together, create videos, and all the fun that they are going to have. And the memories that they are going to create while making videos, वो normal दिन में नहीं हो पाता है. This gives them a reason to explore and understand each other better.
And we will not disclose how we
Exactly.
are. Yeah.
4 years back, we were not this close. We used to
Yeah.
not sit together. We used to be in our own rooms. Now we are coming together only to create
And
content.
after we have done this, we have understood what family bonding is. The importance of having sisters. And हमारे Snapchat में अभी just recently, I think yesterday only, some girl had told कि what you guys only hang out with each other, lol. उन लोगों को मजाक लगता है कि यार सब बहनें घूम रहे हैं साथ में, but I think this is the best feeling ever if we are having to hang out
Your
with each
sisters
other.
are your forever best
friends.
Yeah.
And फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये रहता है कि यार वो awkward situation हो जाता है, कभी कभी लड़ाई हो जाता है, they break contacts. And many people have even asked me कि यार what if Shukla sisters बंद हो गया? We have seen many friends groups breaking.
Yeah.
Dance group हो गया, ऐसे social media groups, they break because कुछ लड़ाई हो गया, कुछ हो गया तो it's gone.
Like,
But this group is not going to go because this is
stay together. We have to do. We have the same blood.
yeah, this is not going to break. I think
Yeah.
चलो,
it's going to be
the bond should be intact.
touch wood.
How do you ensure your content remains authentic and relatable to your audience?
Okay, to answer this, I would say firstly, we always remember to stick to our roots and be true to our values and also understand what the audience want from us. And we always make sure that we are not crossing our boundaries. अगर हमारे parents ने हमें freedom दिया है to make videos, we always make sure that we are being very genuine and true to ourselves along with having some decency in the videos that we are creating.
Yeah.
So I think that is what is showing that we are being very authentic outside. And
And
if-
every influencer on Instagram is so different from their real life. We don't want to be like that.
Yeah,
want to
we have never faked our lives on social media or on YouTube. That is why we have a YouTube page where people can see our real life.
Mhm.
Yeah, we have never faked, and we are just being ourselves.
So
Yes.
Shukla sisters के future goals and plans क्या है for your channel?
For our channel, we are expecting to work with a lot of creators and grow more, and to see ourselves in, I think by this year, to see ourselves on a billboard.
hopefully.
Hopefully very soon. And we are just looking forward to have and expand our following, like the list, and grow our Shukla family. And also in future, अगर हम individually कहीं travel भी किए या कहीं कुछ split भी हो गया, we are planning to have our own individual content creation page where we can show our individual lives as well.
Yeah.
And even we
What
are thinking
interesting
of
connect.
starting our new. Yeah, we are thinking of starting our own merch also
Yes.
in future.
Merchandise.
Plan है देखते हैं.
तो एक छोटा सा quick rapid fire कर लेते हैं.
Oh yeah, that will be
Yes.
fun.
Who's the most fashionable one? Pick up the.
Shrishti.
Okay.
Shrishti.
Who is the most foodie?
Shrishti.
Home baby.
Vidhi.
Okay.
Vidhi.
Yeah, we did.
So who among you is a party animal?
Shraddha.
Me.
Okay. Who splurges money like there's no tomorrow?
लगता है आ जाएगा.
Who is mama's girl?
Mama's
Shrishti.
Shrishti, I think.
Yeah.
Because I'm the eldest.
It's all favorite is something. Huh? Who tends to fight or crib about things the most?
Shraddha and Ananya. Both.
Think about things.
What is that one thing that connects all of you together apart from the digital world?
Tuffy.
We have a dog.
Have a dog.
We have a dog who's 4 years, and we had got him when we started content creation.
Yeah.
तो उसको जब हम टाइम दे रहे होते हैं या फिर उसको वॉक लेके जाते हैं, that is like when we all of us two are together.
And we still talk about content creation.
Yeah, that's there. Thank you all the Shukla sisters for catching up with us.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
For this
We had a
wonderful
great
topic.
time.